Okay, so this is a law of sines practice problem, and you are going to need your calculator out. And the practice problem I made is just a regular triangle. It equals up to 180 degrees, but we only know angle B and C. Angle B is 80 degrees, angle C is 34, and it looks like for this problem we are going to need to find angle A. I wrote the law of sines formula up here. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. So that's just a reminder there. So it looks like that we're going to need to find this one right over here, AC. So law of sines, if you remember, it's so we're going to need to find first this angle A, and you can find that by, you know that 180 degrees is equal to a triangle, so you just do 80 plus 34 in your calculator if you can't do math like me, and you get 144, and you subtract 180 from 144, and you get, that's not what it's supposed to be. 1 second. 80 plus 34, 114, okay. 180 minus 114, which equals 66. So now we know that angle A equals 66. So now we can start this. We're actually not going to need to use sine C, C over sine C for this, just A over sine A equals B over sine B. So we know A now, so across from A is 16. And then we know sine A now, and that's sine 66 equal to B. We do not know side B. That is what we are looking for. And sine B is sine 80. Now we are just going to cross multiply like normal. So we're going to get x equals sine of 66 is equal to 16 times sine of 80. So the first thing we need to do is multiply sine of 80 of 16 in our calculator, and you're going to use the sine button right here, and then you're going to do sine of 80 and then times 16, and that's 15.75. And on the paper I'm just going to round it there, but keep it exact in your calculator to get your exact answer. And you can't multiply x times sine 66, but what you can do is we now can divide both sides by sine of 66 just to find x. So I'm going to write that down on the paper. And then we're going to take it in our calculator, and we're going to just take the answer from before, and we're going to divide it by, once again, press the sine button of 66, close the parentheses, and we get 17.248, and I'm just going to round it, so the side we are looking for is going to be 17.2 is the final answer of AC.